Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to uninstall Skype on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Okay, so in order to uninstall Skype we have to follow these three steps. Okay, and you can see guys, I have Skype installed on my Ubuntu 18.04 LTS and I want to uninstall this. Okay, so if you have your Skype opened, first of all you have to close your Skype. Okay, and after that you have to go over here, this is Skype icon, and then right click on that and then click on this quit Skype. Okay, and after that guys, we can follow these three steps. Okay, so step one, we have to open the terminal first. So for this we need to go to the desktop. So let me adjust the window size of this file. Okay guys, so just go to your desktop, right click on that and then click on this open terminal. Okay, and you can see guys, here we have this terminal opened. So let me adjust the window size of this terminal also. Okay, so here we have the terminal opened and here we have this file. Okay, so step two, we have to uninstall Skype by using this command. Okay, so the command is sudo apt purge Skype for Linux. Okay, so let me copy this command. And guys, all these commands in video description, you can check it out. So it's now copied. Let me go to my terminal and let me paste that command, sudo space apt space purge space Skype for Linux. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. Just provide your administrative password. After that hit enter. Do you want to continue? Yes, press Y key on the keyboard for yes and hit enter key on the keyboard. And you can see guys, it's uninstalling the Skype. Okay, you can see removing Skype for Linux, and it's now done guys. Okay, and after that we have to follow this step 3. Now remove any dependencies. Dependencies are the applications and libraries that are used by the software you no longer have in your computer. Okay, so we just uninstalled this Skype, so we need to remove the dependencies also. So for this we have this command, sudo apt autoremove. Okay, so just go to your terminal and type this command, sudo apt auto remove. Okay, and after that hit enter key on the keyboard. And you can see guys, it's now done. Okay, and after that you can close this terminal. Let me minimize this file. Okay, so let me click on this show applications and let me search for Skype. And you can see guys, we don't have any Skype application. Okay, so it's now uninstalled. So let me go back. Okay guys, so that's it. In this way you can easily uninstall Skype on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.